Betterment Review. Is it legit or a scam? So first, what is Betterment? Betterment is a pioneering US-based robo-advisor and registered investment advisor founded in 2008. It manages over 56 billion in AUM and more than 900,000 customer accounts as of 2025. It's also regulated by the SEC and registered with FINRA. It also offers automated portfolio investing, tax loss harvesting, goal planning, cash management, and optional access to human financial advisors. So here's its legit features and strengths. It offers a low-cost automated investing, so digital plan fees are annually for small accounts and they have no minimum to open and only starts at $10 investing. They even have a goal-oriented portfolio guidance, so smart portfolios are tailored to life goals with automated rebalancing and diversified ETF allocation. They also offer a tax optimization tools available to all clients at no extra cost. And they also have fractional shares and cash features. So here's some weaknesses though. So they have some risk. So they offer poor customer support and lockout risks. They can get delays and have full support, and you can even get your funds frozen. They also have a fee structure which can be unfavorable for small accounts, and they have the restrictions for platforms and some customizations limits. So it's best for beginners to intermediate investors needing low-cost automated investing, and it's users wanting integrated cash management. But it's not ideal for those needing responsive, high-touch support or quick fund access during account issues. So in conclusion, Betterment is legitimate and registered and secure, offering well-regarded goal-based automation. However, customer service shortcomings and unpredictable support delays may have some real drawbacks.